We all know that.
Girl, you can't manage. I can.
Y'all know that I cannot drink. 1-2 glass and me start skin my teeth.
I can do everything I want with her tonight.
Who is that? Who is that? Zekisa? Hi friends, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new, beautiful, sunny, hot day here in France, of course. If you guys wondering where we're starting this vlog from, if you're new to the channel, I'm Melissa, and this, what you're about to see, is my entire family. Tyler, Babe, as we love to call him, as I love to call him, which is Louis. Oh, this is Tyler. Look at this crazy hair though. And Sarah, who is about to turn 2, just went down for a nap. Baby's actually. Did you say good morning?
Good morning. Sarah's going to be 2 tomorrow.
Yep. Go stop my alarm, please, and try the phone. Come give me. As I'm about to talk to you guys, it's time for the vlog to go live, but it is scheduled, so I know it will go live on its own.
1 o'clock.
I just wanted the phone, not the stand.
But okay.
Yes, it's 1 o'clock. Tomorrow is the princess's
Sarah's
birthday.
second birthday.
Hey. So today is all about preparation for the daughter's big day tomorrow. So today we are going to pick up Sarah's cake. We're going to pick up some pizza for tomorrow. I need to take the chicken out the oven. I can barbecue or whatever I decide to do with it tomorrow. I need to start blowing all the balloons tonight that I'm going to use to decorate, and I already sought out her outfit this morning and trying to get everything into place for tomorrow. So a special family member is arriving today for Sarah's big day tomorrow.
Danielle.
No, Daniel is not her family. Daniel is her friend, and Tyler have no idea who is coming, and he keeps saying from morning when I hint him, who is coming? Tell me, but I won't tell him.
Tell me.
You want me to tell you who is coming?
Yes.
When the person come through the door at about 4 o'clock, when Sarah wake up from her nap, you'll see who it is.
She's going to come today and leave tomorrow?
No, the person coming today and leaving on Sunday.
Mama, can you give me some hints?
No hints. Just be patient.
Mama,
Just know that you're gonna be happy.
can you tell me only one hint?
I just give you one hint that you're gonna be happy.
No,
That's the hint.
Auntie Jane?
I am not going to answer you.
No, answer me.
No.
Answer me. Answer
Anyway,
me.
okay, I am not gonna tell you, so just finish right now, okay? Anyway, you
Auntie
guys,
Jane.
so a family member is arriving today and stay with us until Sunday. We're doing Zoom this year because last year it was so exhausting, because it's mostly me that is managing all the organizing, managing the Zoom and managing everything on my own. So I just decided to not do Zoom this year. I'm just gonna focus on her and let her enjoy the day as much as she can. So the celebration will be in the afternoon tomorrow after she wake up from her nap. So I'm so looking forward to hearing all her little wow that will be happening. Tyler, don't pull my hair like that.
But I'm making you pretty.
Yes, but don't pull it. Don't pull it.
Where's the bandage that is here?
Yes.
Can I take
No.
just to make your hair?
No, you cannot take it off. It's already done.
But I want to make you another way.
No, this is the only way it needs to stay.
No, because I want to make you like a Rasta.
Anyway, you guys, so that is what is happening today. So as we go on through the rest of today, you guys will see all the pickups. You'll probably get to see the cake today, or maybe I will just
Mama,
sneak it in today and show you it, show you guys it tomorrow. You are the hairdresser, you have to do everything on your own. No, it's you have to do everything on your own. Why I have to hold it?
Hold it.
Anyway, you guys, so I am going to go and make me some lunch. I don't have to rush to do anything today because I slowly did a lot of preparation throughout the week. So house is clean, everywhere is fresh, and it's just cruise control for me for the rest of today and picking up things and, you know, doing preparation for tomorrow. So enjoy the rest of today's vlog. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. And look at this hairstyle that Tyler gave me. Anyway, you guys, we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. Don't skip through. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Don't skip the ads, but if they're long, just watch a few minutes. And in the same time, be sure that you subscribe to my food channel at Mel's Kitchen Jamaica, because your girl resumed posting because I now get my camera back and stuff like that. And my workout videos will be resuming on my workout channel, which is at Body After Baby. So make sure that you guys keep up with all my other channels and on my social media. On Instagram, I'm at _Delaveaus on Instagram. So also go follow me, where I post lots of pictures that you really don't see on YouTube. Anyway, this boy just need my attention, so I'm gonna go give it to him. Okay? Yes, Tyler.
Can you put this on me?
You want me to put this on you?
Yes.
Okay, I can put this on you. You know what it's written? What it says on it?
Sarah and Tyler.
Yes, it says Sarah and Tyler.
Do you have another one that says Tyler and Sarah?
Yes, I do have another one that says Tyler and Sarah.
Can you say next? Can you one that says Tyler and Sarah? You can give it to me the next time.
No, I'm gonna put on the other one since you take this one.
You take this one and then put on the other one.
That says Tyler first.
Yes.
Okay.
The one that says Tyler first. Can you tell me where it is?
No, I'll go for it.
So go for it right now.
I will. Don't speak like that. Calm. Hey guys, I just jumped out the car by myself because we're hurrying to go back home. I couldn't tell you guys who was coming because Tyler was always around me, but it's my father-in-law that's coming, so Tyler is gonna be so happy about that. I'm going right now to pick up Sarah's cake, so they remain in the car. So let's go pick up Sarah's cake and get back home before Papa reach home. Papi reach home. So this is the place that I'm picking up Sarah's cake. Bonjour. Je suis là pour le gâteau.
Oui. Pour la commande le gâteau pour...
Dans le bras.
Oh my god, it's so pretty. Yes. Oh. Wow. Merci. C'est joli ça. Merci, c'est tout, c'est bon?
C'est bon, vous avez tout réglé.
Oui.
Donc, tout va bien.
Merci. Au revoir. Merci. So that's Sarah's cake. Wow. You guys, look at that. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. Okay. Okay, so let's go with the cake. Let's carry the cake to the car. To the car we go. Who is that? Who is that? C'est qui ça? C'est qui? Papi. Papi? Coucou. Coucou. Salut Papi Rockstar.
Non, tu veux.
Bah oui.
C'est vrai?
Ah ouais.
Ça va?
C'est pas Papi. Sarah. Papi. C'est Papi.
Coucou.
C'est coucou. Ça va?
Ça va toi?
Oui, ça va. Sarah,
Un
what's
bisou?
that? Go give Papi a kiss.
Des bisous?
Go. Go give Papi a kiss.
Non?
Bisous à Papi. Go, bisous. Go.
Tout à l'heure? Tout à l'heure? Tout à l'heure. Tout à l'heure.
Who's that, Sarah? Papi. Peut-être, peut-être pas. C'est Papi.
Même.
C'est Papi? Papi, there? Papi kiss. Yeah.
Je me suis rasé.
Is it Papi? Starting to prep blow balloons and
Ouais, pas tout à fait, mais
stuff like that
ça
from
peut
oh, Papa
tourner
is
dans
here.
Vienne, ça me fait prendre
So,
un parallèle à Saint-Etienne.
While the child
Le
from
mieux,
blowing balloons.
le plus rapide, c'est entre Montélimar et Valence. Après, si jamais c'est bouché, je sors avant Montélimar, donc j'ai pas beaucoup.
I've done a few balloons. I'm taking a break because it's dinner time. The kids are playing with these ones. Look at them outside. Run, Sarah, run! Run! Get here, Tyler. Get here, Ty. Oh! Boing! Boing! Take time, Ty. She and these scooters. Oh! Hi. Hi. The jewel in our bottom. Run! Ah! Tyler, you have to be careful to her toes. Is it that time? Run! Ah!
Three times. Only two more and that's the last.
All right, Sarah. So you guys, my amazing father-in-law is here. They're inside. You see them in there, they're chatting as usual. We're gonna do some barbecue for dinner, so I'm gonna get that prepared. It's past our dinner time. I'm trying to push back dinner close to the front dinner time because Papi's here. So you know we can't eat 6 o'clock like I used to eat. So can you guys tell I'm super hungry right now? It's almost 7 o'clock. So I'm going to try and get dinner on its way right now. Tell her you have to pay attention. Sarah, no! Sarah, no! Bravo! You have to keep your eyes on the ball, Ty. Tell her, and you have to throw properly so Papi can catch it. Attends, attends. Merci, madame. Sarah, no!
J'ai pas vu ça.
Stella, no, 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 no. Throw it with your right hand.
Ouais.
Gloves. Give it to mama. See, Papi have it. Tyler, you're a trickster. Ty, throw with your right hand. Okay?
I don't know where it's right.
What do you mean you don't know where it's right? You're too funny. Ty, no, stop. Throw it with the hand that have the bat. And hold the bat in this hand. When you're ready to catch it, you put back the bat in the right hand. Look where you're throwing it. To him. Not away from him. These two are too funny. Oui. How I want it. So I'm gonna leave it like this for tonight, and then tomorrow I'll come back and finish it all up. So I'm on my way. You guys, oh my gosh, you guys, it's the end of the night and I'm finally going to bed about midnight, and I am not too tired, I must say. I'm not too tired, but the night has come to an end. Everybody's heading in. The kids have been in bed long time, so I'm just coming on to end today's vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the little bits that we have to show you. Tomorrow is the princess birthday and we are all so excited and looking forward to it. So tomorrow will speak for itself. So if you're watching this vlog, make sure you come back for tomorrow vlog and don't miss a beat. You guys know when we have big family here, you're really gonna see him talk on camera because he's always busy chatting somewhere. He's actually there at his father's room door chatting right now. That's big for you. Anyway guys, let me see. My battery just finished and I had to go and change it. Come say hello to the faves. They haven't talked to you all day. When he a visitor, he abandoned you guys. Look at him.
Tired.
He abandoned you guys. That's what
Tired.
he did. Abandon. You have to come in here playing in my hair.
Yeah, I'm tired. It was a good day.
Drink too much wine.
You?
You.
No, I manage. You can't manage.
We all know that.
Girl,
That's
you
not-
can't manage. I can.
Y'all know that I cannot drink. 1-2 glass and me start skin my teeth.
I can do everything I want with her tonight.
That is cute to go to bed. Go to bed. Please go to bed. Anyway, guys, tomorrow is Sarah's birthday, so the turn up is about to begin. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Peace.